combination. Pre-order, in-order they will give it. Or else post-order, in-order they will give it. Or else pre-order, post-order will give it. This one is easy, this one is easy. This one is a little difficult. Hey, yes or no? Yes. Not difficult, but still you can do it. But I will tell you how you can predict the things. Okay. Now what are you gonna do is now listen again. First thing is shall have this. Okay. Now imagine that you don't have this tree. Okay, imagine that what? You don't have this tree. Entire tree you don't have it. Okay? I'll do for that one. You will do it for whatever the answer you got here, and you will do it for that one. Okay? I believe that whatever you have done here is correct. Same for everyone. Same, read it down and read it. If something is wrong, you can correct it. Okay? Now I will do this. Okay? Completely this. Now I want to manufacture 3 trees. How many trees you want to manufacture? 3 trees. Okay. First thing is they have given what? Pre-order and post-order. Like this, the data is given. When I get this data, first thing is to identify root. As I told you, if they have given pre-order, you can close your eyes and you can tell that my first node is what? Root. My first node is what? Root. If they give the in-order, you cannot predict it. Which one is the root now? But by using this one as a reference, if this is A, you can tell it there is a A. By in-order, you can tell it this side is a left side, this side is a right side. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. If you do the post order, where is the root now? Last. That is what you can do. Okay, that's the reason. That's the reason I told you. When I give you post order, in order, pre-order, and in order, finding a root is not difficult. But when they give it pre-order and post-order, only pre-order, finding the root is also not difficult. But left and right doing is difficult. Little difficult. That one how to do it, I will tell you. Okay, this one is next time I will do, but first one you can do this 2 weeks now. The first thing is what? They are given this one and this one. This data they are given. Okay. Now I got to know by this data reference, by comparing this data reference, I got to know this one is what? Root. I will write root now. I will write root now. Okay. Now I will just draw in my mind. There will be left hand side, there might be right hand side. Now I want to check it out. Who will come left hand side? Who will come right hand side? Now to tell that I have this in order. There is a A here. Yes or no? Whatever the data I have it here left hand side, I will just write it here. D. What are the here? V. D. F. G. E. That's all it is, right? Who will come right hand side? H. J. Z. L. M. This all the members will come right hand side. K, yeah? Where are K? H of K. Okay. This all the people will come and right hand side. You know, one person is there, you will have if my left hand is my right hand. That is what it is. Okay? There is a A for left hand A, all these people, right hand A, all these people. Now in this left hand, who is the priority? Who can come on this? Who can come here? There is one chair. In this, someone will come here. Someone will come here. Who will decide that? Who will decide that? Who will decide that? Who will decide that? Since I have this NLR, since I have this what? NLR. B was there, D, okay. I have it here, I have it here. What I'm going to do is now is who is the next person who will decide by this? Who is the next person here? B. Now I'll check it out. B is there on the left hand side. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? I will take B and I will write B. That is what the priority comes. Yes or no? Everyone, right? You have so many people, in so many people who will come here. Now when I come to here, you might be having left hand side, you might be having right hand side. You might be, you may not be. Who will tell that? Who is left hand side, who is right hand side? In order will tell. I will select B. B, where is here? B. Left hand to this one, right hand to all these people. Right? Who is coming left hand side? D. Who is coming right hand side? F. F, G, E. F, G, E. Since he is the only person, I can close my eyes, I can write what? D. Now who will come here? There are 3 possibilities, F or G or E. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now if you come here, okay, to know who comes here, what will you do now? What will you do now? Pre-order. Who is this now? D. Next one is who? E. That means the next person is what? E. And it was what? E. Now tell that inside this one, it might have left side, it might have what? Right side. I will go to the in order, I will check out E. Where is E now? E is here now, okay? Who is in the left side now? We have fine. G. Do you have anyone on the right side? No one. That means right node is not there. Okay. Right node is not there. I have only one left node and left node. Either F or G will come, and I'll come to your pre-order. Who will come in first, F or G? F. I'll write F here. Yes or no? Yes. Now, in F's, only one element you have. Either it will come, G will come in left side or right side. To know that, I'll go in order. Where is in order? F. G, where is G now? Left side or right side? Right side. That means I'll write what? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For here, this is the array data, normal array data. That array is converted to what? This information. Okay? Now what I'll do now? I'll come to here now. What I'll do now? Now H, K, J, C, L, M, I will come here now. Now in this character, who is coming first? Who is coming first here now? Who is coming first here? C is coming first. In this character, who is coming first? C is coming first. I can write it C now. It might have left side, it might have right side. Now who will come left side, who will come right side? To understand that, I'll go to a in order. Now C is over here. Who is the left side now? H, K, J. Who will come in the left side now? L, M, I. There will be some person here. There will be some person here. Now who will be coming to here? Who will be coming to here? Who will come in here? Why always I'm choosing left side is? Because you have this node left to right. Node left to right. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? That's the reason I'm choosing what? Left. If it is right, I'll go to this side first. So the order will be next. Yes or no? Now in this HKJ, who will come here? I want to go to pre-order. In this HKJ, who is lifting first? H. I'll write what? H. I'll write what? H. Now it might have left side, it might have right side. Right? Now I want to check it out in order. Where is H now? There is H now. Right? Where is this K and J? Where is this K and J? Right. K is the right side. That means left side is not there. This K and J will come where? Right side. 100% will come where? Right side. There will be one node. Now who will come to your K or J? To understand that in pre-order, who will come first? K or J? K or J? J. That means I'll write what? J. Now there is only K. It might come left side of J or right side of J. To understand that, I'll go to the in order. I'll search for J. Where is this K? Is left side. That means I'll write it left side K. Left side K. Done now? This is that. Now I'll come to here. Who is coming here now? L, M, I. Who is repeating L, M, I? Who is coming first? I is coming first. I'll write I here. Right? Who is doing now? L, M. To understand this, where this L and M is coming, what I'll do now? I'll search here in the in order. Where come in order? In order is telling that left side you don't have anyone, you have only right hand. Either L will come or M will come. To understand who will come here, L or M, what will do now? I'll go to pre-order. I'll tell that who is repeating first? L. I'll just write it L. Now only M is there. I want to understand whether M will come where? Left side of L or right side of L. I'll go to in order. Where is L? L. Where is M here? Right side. I'll just write it what? M. Did we manufacture the tree? Yes or no? By keeping this two information, we can manufacture the tree. We have to display. Compare it whether the same tree is same tree. Yes. So put it up. Yes. Okay. Once you write out.